In this video, I'll show you how to turn on YouTube restricted mode easily using the latest 2026 method. Restricted mode helps filter out potentially mature or sensitive content, making YouTube safer for kids, families, schools, and shared devices. This feature is simple to enable and only takes a minute to set up. First, open the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone device. Make sure you are signed into your Google account, because some settings may not appear if you are logged out. Next, tap your profile picture or account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your YouTube account menu where you can access settings and other options. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several categories that control your YouTube experience. Select General from the list. Here you can manage playback settings, appearance options, and safety features. Scroll down until you see Restricted Mode. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Once the switch becomes blue, Restricted Mode is successfully enabled on your device. After enabling this feature, YouTube will try to hide videos that may contain mature themes, strong language, or sensitive content. Although the filter is not perfect, it helps create a safer and more family-friendly viewing experience. Thanks for watching.